What's the meaning of chainmail? Chainmail. Chainmail.
Chain mail. Chain mail. Chain mail is a type of armor made from interlocking metal rings. It was commonly used in medieval times as a form of protection for soldiers in battle. The metal rings were woven together to create a flexible and durable layer of armor that could withstand sword strikes and other forms of attack. Chain mail was also used by knights during jousting competitions and by hunters for protection against animal attacks. Overall, chain mail was a key component of medieval warfare and played an important role in protecting soldiers from harm on the battlefield.